When you give ChatGPT access to all of your different softwares that you use and different scenarios and workflow automations that you create in tools like make.com, and when you act as the supervisor agent, ChatGPT becomes a next level or AI personal assistant that you can give information and instructions to. It can then go off and use the various tools that you've given it access to, and it can do a lot of the work for you. For example, drafting emails, creating content, helping you with social media, creating things in your database, retrieving things from your database, acting as a knowledge store for anything, previous interactions you've had with clients, email chains, anything that's specific to your business that you have stored inside of a database. The Airtable agent is essentially full API access to my Airtable database backend, so it can do anything again that I would be able to do inside of Airtable, but I can just ask ChatGPT to do it for me. It means as well that I can store stuff directly in Airtable from ChatGPT. I can get stuff directly from Airtable to be used in ChatGPT. The YouTube agent can get transcripts from videos. It can summarize it for me. I can then ask questions of the YouTube video. I can store bits that are useful for me inside of my Airtable base using the Airtable agent. The last tool to show you is a webhook agent. Sometimes you just have a need to be able to trigger a webhook on the fly. It can just be a one-off automation or scenario that you need to trigger. And I found that having the ability to just trigger any webhook from ChatGPT to be incredibly useful in certain use cases. At the end of a particular workflow, you can actually have other webhooks offered up as part of the webhook response, so that when it comes into ChatGPT here, you can simply pass it to the webhook agent and it will just do the next step.